Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do my 2020 dream board. I've been seeing this a lot from other people doing it, and of course Amber Scholl makes it really big. If you guys haven't checked her out, definitely check her out. So this year I decided I want to do a dream board and use law of attraction. So that's what we're going to do today, and I wanted to do it with you guys. So if you guys want to check out my 2020 dream board, just keep watching. All you're going to need is a poster board, some tape, and of course the pictures or quotes you want on it. So the first picture on my board is going to be a picture of a dance class because I want to dance a lot more this year, whether that be just dance or actually going to a dance class. The second picture is of a tattoo. I've always wanted like a side thigh tattoo, so that's usually always on my board. So to go along with that is ear piercings. I want to get a couple more ear piercings. I pierced the second hole in my ears, but I want some more. And of course, I would like a nose piercing back. I had one when I was younger, really loved it, but I got rid of it, and I'm just looking forward to get another one. Here we have a picture of an Instagrammer who goes by the name of Mimi Fit Mom now. And it's just inspiration for me to get my mom bod into shape, and I really love following her Instagram. It's so inspirational, so definitely check her out. Next we have an e-commerce picture because I would love to own my own business someday, so we're going to start with that. And then this picture is of a makeup and skincare brand called Senegence that I was introduced into, and I kind of want to learn more about it, so that's on my board. And of course, we all want followers, so I set my goal for 1,000 Instagram followers, and I also set my goal for 1,000 YouTube subscribers, which I would love to hit both this year. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and go on over to my Instagram and hit follow over there. So the retirement picture is a joint goal between me and my husband. He wants to retire early, so I want to help him out with that. So I like to just be reminded of his goal that I want to help with and put it on my board. And along with that is investing in real estate, so that's why I have a bunch of picture of a bunch of houses. Just to remind me, we want to continue investing in houses. Here is a picture of a luxury purse that I just want to be able to afford and buy myself, and this is the exact purse I want, so that is why this is going on my 2020 board. Next is one of my favorite pictures. It's of a cruise. I love going on cruises. I was introduced by my husband and we love going on them, so hopefully we can go on a cruise this year. I would really love it. And Singapore, I would love to visit Singapore as well. It's kind of on our list of dream trips, so that is why I'm adding it to the board. Next is a newer car. I would love to get a newer car, and I think that's everyone's goal, but that's definitely on my board this year. I know AirPods are really big and they just came out with AirPods Pro, but I don't have money for either of them, so I just put wireless headphones on my board because I would really just like a pair of wireless headphones. It doesn't matter what they are, so putting them on the board. Something else I'd really love to do this year is get extensions from a salon. I really want specifically NBR extensions, but I don't know if or when I could get those, so I'm hoping it could be this year. I'd also like to upgrade my Apple Watch. Right now I have a Series 2 and I'd love to upgrade to a Series 5 or a Series 6. Yes, I'm one of the weird ones and want the always on display, but that's my choice. Here we have an influencer trip. I'd really love one of those as well. I think all of us would. So not only is Friends my favorite show, but I chose this picture to represent actually getting some friends. I need some. It'd be awesome to get some this year, so that's on my board. Incorporated some fashion pictures because I love fashion and I'd love to make my Instagram full of fashion pictures and get that going. Here's a picture of Vegas because Vegas is one of my favorite spots on earth and I would love to take another trip there and go with my husband. This is my favorite picture to remind me to keep going to therapy and to always try to better my mental health, so I wanted this on the board because it's really important to me and I just like to see it every day. Another travel goal is to go to New York City, Times Square, and see New Year's. I would love to do that. So hopefully I can do that one year. Now this is going to be my quote for my dream board. It says, "I'm not even going to talk about my goals for 2020, moving in silence, focusing on the walk, not the talk. I love this and I felt inspired by this, so I really wanted it on my board. Even though it's not in the center, it's still there. And I also want to get a job this year, whether it be full-time or part-time, just to kind of get out of the house, meet some people, get that interaction going. And guys, that was it for my 2020 board. I feel like it came out really cool looking, and it has everything that I want to do / everything I want to maybe even buy on it. And I really felt like it was a good year, and I'm gonna hit all of these goals. I'm really gonna try to hit all of them. But yeah, this is how my board came out. That was my 2020 dream board, and I'm very excited. I have a lot of stuff that I want to accomplish this year, but I'm really gonna push myself and try to accomplish as much as I can. I will try to record it so that way I can look back on the footage to see how much I've accomplished in 2020. If you guys had fun, please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you have similar or different goals, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye!